If you're eating bananas every day thinking they're helping you stay strong after 60, I need to stop you right now. What I'm about to reveal will shock you. Bananas might actually be accelerating your muscle loss and making you weaker with every bite. Here's the disturbing truth most doctors won't tell you. While bananas are being pushed as a healthy fruit, they're doing almost nothing to protect your muscles from sarcopenia. In fact, there's one fruit that has over 4 times more muscle-building power than bananas, and you've probably never heard anyone talk about it. In today's video, I'll expose exactly why bananas are failing you, and I'll reveal the one fruit that can actually rebuild your muscle strength starting today. But here's the catch. If you make the 3 common mistakes I'm about to share at the end of this video, even this powerful fruit won't help you. Stick around, because what I'm going to tell you could be the difference between staying independent or losing your strength forever.
After 60, muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, accelerates every single year. This leads to weaker legs, balance problems, and even a higher risk of falls. Now, while bananas are healthy, they don't actually help much with muscle strength. They're mostly sugar and a little potassium. That means if you're relying on bananas to keep you strong, you're missing out on the nutrients your body truly needs. This is where most seniors get stuck. They think eating any fruit is good enough for their health, but when it comes to protecting your muscles and preventing sarcopenia, not all fruits are created equal. Most people have no idea they could be doing so much more to preserve their strength simply by choosing the right fruit.
So what should you eat instead? The answer is guava. Guava is one of the highest protein fruits you can eat, packing over 4 grams of protein per cup. That's far more than bananas, which contain less than 2 grams per cup. It's also loaded with vitamin C, which boosts collagen and helps repair your muscles and joints. This combination of protein and vitamin C makes guava a true powerhouse for seniors fighting muscle loss. If guava isn't easy to find where you live, papaya and kiwi are excellent alternatives. Both are high in antioxidants and muscle-protecting nutrients that your body needs after 60. Papaya contains enzymes that help reduce inflammation and improve protein digestion, while kiwi is packed with vitamin C and supports muscle recovery. These fruits work in ways that bananas simply cannot match.
Here's why this fruit is so powerful for building and protecting muscle after 60. First, it provides protein for rebuilding muscle fibers. Even a little more protein daily helps seniors slow down sarcopenia. While 4 grams might not sound like much, every gram counts when you're trying to preserve muscle mass as you age. Most seniors struggle to get enough protein throughout the day, and guava gives you an easy way to add more without eating heavy meals. Second, guava is incredibly rich in vitamin C for collagen production. Just 1 cup provides over 600% of your daily vitamin C needs. Stronger connective tissue means stronger legs and joints. Collagen is the glue that holds your muscles together, and without adequate vitamin C, your body simply cannot produce enough collagen to keep your muscles functioning properly. Third, guava contains powerful antioxidants to reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent reason why seniors lose muscle faster. When your body is constantly inflamed, it breaks down muscle tissue faster than it can rebuild it. The antioxidants in guava fight this inflammation at the cellular level, creating an environment where your muscles can actually recover and grow stronger. Compared to bananas, guava and papaya actually target the root causes of muscle loss. They don't just give you a quick sugar spike that leaves you feeling tired an hour later. Instead, they provide sustained nutrition that your muscles can use throughout the day for repair and growth.
You don't need to eat a huge amount to see real benefits. Just 1 cup of guava or papaya each day is enough to make a significant difference in your muscle health. The key is consistency. A small daily habit adds up to big strength gains over time. Here are 3 simple ways to add this powerful fruit to your daily routine. For breakfast,
Add it to your morning smoothie along with some Greek yogurt for extra protein. The combination creates a delicious muscle-building start to your day. At mid-morning or afternoon, slice it up with Greek yogurt or cottage cheese for a protein-packed snack. This pairing gives you both the fruit's nutrients and additional protein for maximum muscle support. Or simply eat it as a refreshing dessert after lunch. This helps you absorb the nutrients when your body is primed for digestion. The best part is that these are easy, everyday recipes that don't require any special preparation. You're not learning complicated cooking techniques or buying expensive ingredients. You're simply swapping one fruit for another and immediately upgrading your muscle-building nutrition. So if you want to fight muscle loss after 60, it's time to forget bananas and swap in guava, papaya, or kiwi instead. These fruits provide the protein, vitamin C, and antioxidants your muscles desperately need to stay strong and functional as you age. Here's a bonus tip that will multiply your results. Pair this fruit with a protein-rich food like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese for even more muscle-building power. The combination of fruit nutrients and dairy protein creates the perfect environment for muscle repair and growth. The vitamin C helps your body absorb the protein more effectively, while the protein provides the building blocks your muscles need. Together, they work like a tag team to rebuild your strength from the inside out. Now, I have a question for you. Have you been relying on bananas for your fruit intake? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single comment and I'm genuinely curious about your experiences with different fruits.